Hi there. I am Anca Platon Trifan, CEO of Trifan Events and podcast host at Events Demystified Podcast. For the past 5 years, I have been a successful podcaster in the event industry. I'm also an AI consultant and an AI automation expert for the small business. And I have had the privilege of sharing my knowledge and expertise on dozens of podcast shows and live webinars and in-person events. I get to speak at a lot of events, and it is my great pleasure to freely share my expertise with those that need it, just as a way to give back to the community. Being recognized as one of the top voices in events to listen to and pay attention to in 2024, I'm also the winner of the 2024 Best of Stage Speaker Award. Now, outside of all of that, which is great, I'm very much a dedicated entrepreneur. I am a mom and a wife, and in my spare time, I also engage in bodybuilding competitions. I have taken home several first places awards in natural bodybuilding, in the wellness and bikini categories as a master competitor. My mission is really to inspire and empower and elevate those around me, particularly women in technology and production, as there isn't a lot of us in those spaces.